Hi friends, today we're making cheese sticks.
In this bowl, we have flour, an egg, and some breadcrumbs. We're going to add some sweet paprika into the breadcrumbs. Then we'll add some garlic. And then cayenne pepper. Not too heavy with the cayenne pepper. Okay, so here we have the mozzarella sticks. We're gonna go ahead and dredge them in the flour first. Shake it off. Dip it in the egg. Then dredge it into the bread crumbs. Back into the eggs. And back into the breadcrumbs.
This is such an easy recipe. I hope you guys get to try this at home.
Let's try this again. Flour, eggs, then breadcrumbs.
The oil has been preheated, so now it's time to test it.
Dip it in. Yeah, I think that's hot enough.
Keep a close eye on the cheese sticks. You don't want to walk away because they cook very quickly.
You're gonna let it cook for about 2 minutes. See, it's a nice golden brown. It's perfectly all right if the cheese is oozing out. That's how it's supposed to look.